Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your cash flow with QuickBooks step by step clearly. Start by logging into your QuickBooks account. Navigate to the dashboard to get an overview of your financial position. Click on the Reports tab on the left menu. Search for the Cash Flow Statement report. Select the date range for which you want to analyze your cash flow. Click Run Report to generate your cash flow report. Review the report to identify periods of positive and negative cash flow. Next, go to the Sales tab. Ensure that all your customer invoices are recorded accurately. Review unpaid invoices and send reminders for those overdue. Now, click on the Expenses tab. Review all your expenses and categorize them accordingly. Identify any unnecessary expenses that can be cut to improve cash flow. Next, use the Banking tab to connect your bank accounts. Ensure all income and expenses are synced for more accurate tracking. Check your cash reserves by going to the Accounting section. Look for the Balance Sheet report to see your available cash. Create a budget by heading to the Settings menu and selecting Budgeting. Set realistic income. Use the Projects feature to monitor cash flow on larger projects. Track expenses versus income for each project to ensure profitability. Schedule regular reviews of your cash flow statement. This will help you to stay updated on your financial status. Consider utilizing QuickBooks forecasting tools. These tools can project future cash flows based on historical data. Finally, keep an eye on your inventory levels if applicable. Excess inventory can tie up cash that could be used elsewhere. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.